Looking to simulate Brownian motion? Look no further. This code provides you with the tools to generate your own Brownian motion simulation by adjusting the end steps and its parameters. You have control over the granularity and duration of your simulation. The code includes a function called simulate Brownian motion, which takes in two input arguments, end steps and dt. The end steps parameter determines the number of time steps in the simulation, while dt controls the size of each time step to generate random increments. For the Brownian motion, the code employs the norm function, which generates random numbers from a standard normal distribution. These random increments are then accumulated to obtain the simulated Brownian motion. Finally, the simulated Brownian
motion is plotted using
the plot function, providing a visual representation of the simulation's trajectory. If you're looking to customize the granularity and duration of your simulation, simply adjust the end steps and dt parameters to your desired values. With this versatile code, you have the power to explore the intriguing world of Brownian motion.